Welcome back to Minimalist Health and Training. I'm Paul and this is Daniel, and this is part 2 of putting together a workout for you. Today we're going to do lat pullovers and an alternative to lat pullovers on the floor. So Daniel will demonstrate the lat pullovers on the bench, which, by the way, with the on the floor ones you can also use heavy books, anything that's heavy. You don't have to have weights. So with that being said, Daniel's going to show you how to do one on a bench with a dumbbell. Notice his arms are just slightly bent. They're not locked, but they're not moving through the motion. They're staying slightly bent. He brings them down to get a good stretch in here, and then he brings them back up to where they are completely vertical. This is my favorite exercise. This is like the squat of the upper body. It works out pretty much everything. It works out your chest, your stomach, your upper arms, your lats, and it also gives you a really great stretch in the upper body. And that's how you do a lat pullover on a bench. Now I'm going to show you how to do a lat pullover on the floor. As I said earlier, you can use anything heavy. It doesn't have to be a dumbbell. It can be books, anything. But also, I'll show you, if you noticed his grip when he is demonstrating was like this. Well, there's another grip you can use also that is like this. It's a circular grip, and that's the one that I use. But what you're going to do, you're going to start out with the weight either up top or back behind you. I'm going to start with it behind me, and you just bring it up, and I bring it a little bit past vertical because I want a little bit more range of movement since I'm on the floor. And then you bring it back to just barely touch the floor and get that stretch as far as you can on the floor. Bring it back up to vertical and just continue through it. And you do not use your, move your arms. You don't lock them, but you don't move them. You just have them at a slight bend. You also want your feet flat on the floor with your knees up to keep you from injuring your back. That way your back's more stable. If you've enjoyed the content in this video, please like and subscribe, make comments to us, let us know what you want to see. We're more than happy to help you in any way. Next video we'll go to part 3 of building your workout, and hopefully you've enjoyed these. Thank you very much.